we're starting out tonight with a little bit of recap from the weekend. If you'll recall, we had those really low temperatures and we almost set a record here in Charleston. Not quite, we tied it. The record low was 29, set back in 1947. And Saturday morning we fell down to 29 degrees here at the observation station on Eastern's campus. So not quite a record, but it did go in the record books. Hasn't been that cold in Charleston since 1947. If you're wanting a relief from these cooler temperatures, you're in luck, because we're going to see these temperatures making it finally back above average once we get past Wednesday. Still below average for tomorrow and Wednesday. Our average for this time of year is 74 degrees. We're in the 60s for the next 2 days, but then we're making it back up into the upper 70s, and we are going to be looking at the potential for some 80s by the time we get into next week. But that warmer weather is going to be coming with a little bit of a catch. For tonight, though, we're in for another chilly night, down to 39 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. West-northwest wind at 5 to 10 miles an hour, and then that wind will be coming calm as we get into the early morning hours. Thankfully, that cloud cover is in place. That's going to keep some of the heat here at the surface. Otherwise, we'd be worried about more frost across the area. As we pick up Futurecast for your day on Tuesday, you can see the mostly cloudy skies going to persist throughout much of the day. We'll really see that fill in through the lunchtime hour. Maybe a few peaks of sunshine as we get into the afternoon, but unfortunately, we're looking at more clouds than sunshine for our Tuesday. But we're going to be staying dry, but that's not going to be the case for much longer for this week. As we break down your day temperature-wise, 51 at 9 a.m. up to 56 by lunchtime. We top out at a daytime high of 60 degrees, but as we saw earlier, that is below average. But as we get into the day on Wednesday, that's when the rain showers are going to pick back up across the area, starting off the morning with some widespread rain showers. So the best chances for rain on Wednesday going to be in the morning, but we're going to keep the chances for some scattered showers through the lunchtime hour. Here's Futurecast at noon, and then as we get into the afternoon, we're still going to keep those chances in the forecast, going to be more isolated. So Wednesday not looking like an all-day washout, but we're going to be keeping those chances for rain in the forecast. And once they arrive on Wednesday, we're going to see daily chances all the way through the weekend. And once we get into Thursday and Friday with those temperatures back into the 70s, that's going to be giving us the fuel for the potential for some thunderstorms Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend. It's not looking like all-day washouts with any of these systems, but we're just going to have enough moisture in place in the heat that we could see some of those scattered thunderstorms. When you take into account the chances for rain Wednesday through the weekend, we're looking at the potential for 1.5 to potentially 2.5 inches of rain through that period, with locally higher amounts where those thunderstorms develop. So unfortunately, while we're getting the warmer weather, we're looking at a pretty soggy pattern. But check out next Monday, sunshine, temperatures near 80, and the long-term forecasts show that we're looking at above average temperatures for the next 14 days. So hopefully we're finally shaking these below average temperatures. For more news and weather, be sure to visit our website at weiu.net, or you can join us again tomorrow here on the area's only local newscast on PBS.